I'm ready for a beer.
Go up with it.
That sounds good.
Go up. Yeah. Hey, hold on, man. Go back down. Hey, only the front has extensions.
It's gonna
Does the
pick.
back need them? Take off the front one?
Yeah, take off the front ones.
The extensions. Oh, freedom. Go down, buddy. These right here.
The make them shorter.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
What?
Go ahead. Go down, hold on. Okay, go up. Alright. I'm good over here. You good over there?
Yeah.
Front and back?
Yeah, front of the.
Alright. Go ahead, Bubba.
Oh, I forgot about that rear end. Man. Already. Oh, it's got wood blocks in the back too, huh?
So I guess this car's Italian?
Yeah. One more.
Woo!
Let it down.
Look at that.
You got air shocks? It's got air shocks.
Okay, the drop-offs are good, man. The trunk drop-offs. So you need center trunk pan. This is probably gonna pit when you sandblast back here.
This box brace is shot.
Let me see. Wheel inside wheel lip.
It look good. Oh, that one a little bit.
Yeah, that one. Italian rear end. Oh, man, I wonder what came out of Ferrari or something.
Oh man, what did you do?
Huh?
These are the whole thing.
Box brace ain't bad, man, but it's probably soft.
This is a cute little tank. This one's gone. Definitely. Yeah.
It looks like the one, the station wagons also has they got them like on the inside right here. But kind of like this.
This wheel well ain't bad at all, man. How's that wheel well?
Not,
A little bit right here.
not bad. I mean, that's about what mine had.
Somebody trash you.
Oh yeah.
Rockers, floor, quarters.
Rolls are pretty good.
The floors ain't bad, man.
Man, they're not. They're really not.
But the rockers.
The rockers are gone.
And yours come with the inner rocker just like that. But you gotta have something to weld it to, huh? I don't know, I've never done it. Yeah, inner rocker. How long you think, Bobby?
I ain't ready.
4 months? 4 months metal work be done?
Probably.
16 weekends?
Probably. They sell these, huh?
Yeah.
Do they?
Yeah.
They repop them? Really?
A little bit right here on this.
Oh, the cow section?
You gotta cut these off, huh? Take these off.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, put it back on? Seat brackets? They sell those too, but I mean, if you want to keep them. I had to buy them for my car.
Hey, why does it have bolts right here?
Seatbelt.
But that's the pan. It can't be that low.
It's custom. Well, the good thing is you don't have to buy a drive shaft.
It's not so deep.
Why not?
Because you have one.
This is for the seats. Oh, no.
My little buggy.
Bobby's lucky, man. He's gonna have a brand new, clean shop to do it in. This is like when I had my '62. The shop was brand new, and this car was the '62 was in here.
All you had to do was buy another 62.
Anniversary edition?
Bobby seems very discouraged,
Hey, this is the quietest he's ever been.
right?
Yeah.
It's nothing, man. It's only steel. Right?
Right.
Steel and time.
And money?
Well, he's already got it.
Oh, yeah.
He's got the parts and he's got the money.
So to do the floors, we need the rockers.
Yeah.
The outer rockers.
Right.
So if I don't get them by next weekend, probably do the firewall first.
Okay.
I would do the firewall.
Oh, I
first.
can't even do the firewall because I gotta have the engine here. Or I bring the,
You don't need it.
we know how to load to them.
Yeah. Just let it go all the way to the ground.
Well, I wouldn't bank on next weekend, man. Next weekend might be putting this place back together.
Well, next weekend I plan to go to Trails.
Okay. Well then, yeah, I'll be putting this place back together. So you're gonna have to pick which friends you're gonna be with. Pick wisely.
The ones that drink.
Oh. Okay.
I got some Bud Light on that.
The Rainbow Bud?
Hey man, we ain't drinking no more Bud Light. Bobby, I'm sorry. Over with.
Hey, I've been trying to get that system Modelo for the longest, but.
So this is my frame, right?
Yeah.
I wonder if I could put the 60 on this and paint it, man. Why not?
It has a little damage right here.
Where? Oh. All right. I guess we'll bring you guys back once we start cutting.